Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen, and so I wanted to record a clean with me of my master bedroom because I have pretty much tackled every other area in the house, and you can see behind me it's a mess. But yeah, we recently got back from our trip that we took, and we went to the Animal Kingdom and everything, and we went to Tampa to visit my in-laws. So I unpacked everything, and then there's some things that I still haven't unpacked, so they've been sitting in my room for a little bit, and I have tackled pretty much the rest of the house. Like, spring cleaning has been done, kitchen has been decluttered, pantry has been done, which I do have a video for you guys coming on the pantry, so look out for that on my pantry. So yeah, so I have gotten all these areas of the house tackled, and my master bedroom has just fallen to the wayside, so it's just a mess. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the mess that has become my room. I don't like having a bunch of stuff on the dresser, and I just not sure what happened, just threw a bunch of stuff there. There's some stuff on the floor. My daughter was sick last night, and so she wasn't feeling good, so she wanted to sleep on our floor, and I wanted to keep an eye on her. And then that's a pile of clothes, guys. It's clean clothes. It just has collected itself on top of this little spot here. And then I have some stuff that we have not even, look at this. I haven't even unpacked this stuff. This was my little day bag from Disney. So I still have some stuff to get done there. If you hear my son in the background, he is watching Jurassic Park, so he is really excited about it.
So the first thing that I needed to do was go ahead and get everything off of the bed so I could get the sheets washed this day. And if you're wondering why I have a pack and play next to my bed, no, my son does not sleep in it. I have officially been using it to house all of my extra pillows, and I know that I really need to get that unpacked and moved out of the way. It's like the treadmill, when people buy a treadmill and it becomes the catch-all of the clothes. Yeah, that's what that pack and play has become for me. Then I just wanted to go ahead and wipe down the tables, and you can see that I am not using a spray because my darling and lovely sister gave me this Norwex rag for glass cleaning, and all I had to do was put water on it, and it left my glass top looking beautiful. So I am a fan. This video is not sponsored or anything. She just happened to have some extra ones, and she let me have this one, and I loved using it. So then I just needed to take everything off of this dresser top and then wipe everything down and put away the things that needed to be put away. And then again here I am using that Norwex glass cleaning rag. Next, I needed to get this area dusted. It collects a lot of dust, and because the wood is so dark, you can see it when it accumulates on there. So I wanted to make sure I got that cleaned off. And then it was time to tackle the mountain of clothes that I had just waiting for me to put it all away. Most of the stuff was things that needed to be hung up. But I mean, if it's not the couch and it's not the bed, there's always an area of the house that the clothes just wants to sit there. I mean, I know I'm not the only one that struggles with it, right, guys? You know, you take the clothes, you wash it, you get it dried, and then you take forever to get it put away, right? So the last thing I needed to do is just finish putting away my clothes. And at this point, I had already started the sheets and the pillowcases to wash. And after this, we were heading to the park while the sheets were drying. And when I came back, I did record making the bed. Somehow that got deleted. So the last footage that I got of me was folding the blankets while I was waiting for the sheets to wash. So that was it for this video, but I hope that it gave you some motivation to clean your master bedroom today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.